I thought I'd do a quick update on the latest additions to my e-bike. The latest changes are I've changed to the Bling ring, 42 tooth, and I've switched from a 10 speed 11 to 42 tooth cob at the back to a Rohloff 14 speed Speedhub, which I must say I'm very pleased with. A bit pricey, but I think it's a good addition to the bike. There's the gear change. I've changed all the cabling as well a bit, tidied it up a bit because it's a bit of a mess. Here the Rohloff is with the two wires, because it pulls and pushes to change the gear. Tidied the handlebars up a bit as well. There were too many things on here. I took it out for the first longish ride the other day. There's about 60 kilometres on it, and I must say it's very, very quiet. Best thing about it, I think, you all seem to be in the right gear. The chain line of the chain is very, very nicely lined up. It's not perfect. I might need to slightly move out the chain line of the Bling ring. It's a little bit off, but not much. But there's no chain slack whatsoever. There's no movement whatsoever. It all seems to be in the right gear, and like I say, it's very quiet. And it gives me, compared to the 4211, it gives me, the lower gears are a bit faster and the higher gears are a little bit easier. So I've actually got more leeway with the gears than I had with the 10 speed, which is good. Well, to give you some idea, normally if I stop at a traffic light or whatever and I start off, I'm starting off in 4th gear with this, because the others are just too easy. But those gears are useful for getting up really steep trails, which I sometimes have to. I'm not mad on the chain tensioner. There's nothing wrong with it, it's just that it'd be nice to have the right length of chain. I've not adjusted it yet because I wasn't 100% sure whether I was going to stick with the Bling ring or put the 46 tooth back on or not. I wanted to try it out a bit first, and also because my drop bars are vertical, it's a bit tricky to adjust the right length of the chain, so I don't know, I'll still leave it on for the moment, but there you go. So there's just one more thing I'm waiting for. I've ordered a couple of wing mirrors that I saw on AliExpress, which is going to be the final edition, I think, before the summer. And there you go.